Hello everyone. Do your fruits and veggies go bad too fast? Don't worry, it happens to most of us. But today I will show you how to store them the right way so they stay fresh and tasty for twice as long. Tip number 1. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach can go soft very quickly. Here's a simple trick. Wrap them in a paper towel and keeps them in a closed container. This stops extra water and keep them crisp all week. Tip number 2. Berries can get moldy fast, right? Try this. Rinse them with 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water. It removes germs and mold and your berries stay fresh for days. Tip number 3. Carrots, beets and radishes last longer if you cut off the leafy tops. Those leaves pull out water and make them soft. Keep the roots in a paper bag, they will stay crunchy and fresh. Tip number 4. Bananas turn brown faster when they are next to apples. Keep them apart, and if you wrap the banana stems in foil, they will ripen more slowly and stay yellow longer. Tip number 5. Did you know your fridge drawers are made for different foods? Keep fruits in the low humidity drawer and veggies in the high humidity one. It really helps them last longer. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your fruits and veggies fresh for much longer. Save money, waste less, and enjoy healthy food every day. Don't forget to like and follow for more simple kitchen tips.